Yo, this shit OP.
She was always dealing with the devil, she was always into taking those chances. Said she met a couple at the women who were into going late night dancing. Then she fell in love with a pill that could take away all her pain. Then she fell in love with a whole new drug that could fill her veins. And then she said she lives in the sky tonight. She's satisfied, rolling back her eyes. Then she starts to cry. Everything is turning to black. heaven and back, heaven and back. But you lied, you said you were fine, but now you're terrified. So you don't wanna die, and we start to cry. Wish that you could take it all back, 'cause you just went to heaven